Amosi kendo ni misawa janeno mar kalatvlive na singo ni ka omolo sade kabiro doka kod weche manyien mago mag ng'end weche nyinga Neli Achieng ndine jaloko mara Bella Achieng.
It is a statement. It is a statement of national priorities. This government serves the ordinary people, the farmers, the border riders, the mama mbogas, the workers, the entrepreneurs, students, and every young person striving for a better future. Let me begin with the Finance Act, which has sparked an important national conversation about taxation, fairness, and development. Before the passage of the bill, Parliament conducted and leakages, not livelihoods. Contrary to propaganda, misinformation, disinformation, and fake news, the government did not propose any taxes that were largely alleged.
It's not cowardice. Please, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, it's not cowardice. Please, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, consider. We need you alive. We need you to help us transform this country next year. You cannot do it when you are dead. You cannot
restore our soil and provide sustainable income for our communities. This is not just environmental work, it is economic transformation. It is the fulfillment of His Excellency the President's directive to plant 15 billion trees by 2032, raising our forest cover to 30%, which is in line. There could be diversity in our political spaces, etc. But let us restore our land, because when we restore, we build peace and it's a home.
Tuna sheria za kutosha za kuhakikisha kwamba tumelinda msitu wetu. Ndiposa siku ya leo mimi ningependa kuomba viongozi wa kitaifa, wanaharakati wote, wanasayansi wakiwemo, na pia wanafunzi wetu ambao wametilia mkazo mambo ya kuhifadhi msitu, tushirikiane.
Hata mimi ameniletea ninapanda eka 60. Hata mimi ameniletea ninapanda eka 60 kwa shamba yangu hapa ng'ambo, ili niweze kupata mapato hapo mbeleni. So nyinyi kama wakulima, diversify from cane to maize to milk to coffee to macadamia to whatever you can, so that we can be able to support.
Kabinde pinyo wacho kuchopo kanyo singo manegi singo ne Uganda jo Kenya.
So far we are not complaining because so many projects are listed a whole. Therefore, the only protest we are going to do is to request for more projects. That's the only protest we are going to do. We want to tell the president while
Kabesa nyanam kaka migao Kabesa nyanam kaka migao osetemo kabisa kakelonwa puonj kaka mond ruoth to puonj kabisa kakelonwa puonj kaka mond ruoth to puonj magikelo.
Hai group mare Benesa ma seme kaila kanyene nyanambi an gi lokruok maduong' e puonjruoge wago wan kod gimoro ma wawacho ni sigendni wawegi. E sigendni wawegi ni osegero ngima wa maduong' nikech
Manuma bende en director mar Wildlife Research and Training Institute ne wacho kanyo ni yien mano mar bamboo dhi konyo rito alwora e yono
that we restore and bring it back. And one
bamboo seedlings as part of the 15 billion government program for President Ruto. And
Otelogo ogin duol mago mabende owuok kuom oganda mago mabende owuok e kaunti ma Homa Bay. Ne owacho ni obiro dhi nyime sero ombulu e kaunti no kendo ikruok ne yiero
fitina ya propaganda waonge kodi.
Kanyo bende madikele giko mar mi weche manyien mag ng'end weche bedo kod otieno majaber. Nyinga Neli Achieng' ndine jaloko mar Bella Achieng'.